I know you're not missing out on this. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Tonight I am covering my first of two of the Ipsy Extra box. And this box, what a great box, and what a really good value this month. This is $182 of value of product, 5 full size. Plus a beauty boost. With the beauty boost, it's $246 worth of product. For the 5 full size, you pay $34 plus $1.99 shipping, so $36 plus tax, and you get $182 worth of product. So I'm going to get into this box really quick with you, and this is through Ipsy. It's Ipsy.com, www.ipsy.com, and this month it's called Dare to Daydream. This is a little pamphlet you get. It gives you some sneak peeks of upcoming months, if it's next month or the month after, of some new products that are going to be sent in these boxes, and then just some other information. So that's really nice to have, and when you have time, you end up, going through and looking through the pamphlet. So the first item I'm going to cover, there's actually 3 of the 5. I get to pick and choose which 3 of the 5 products I want, and then 2 of them they end up sending me based on my profile that I do on skincare and makeup and what I enjoy, and then they not curtail, but they, end up selecting those items based on my profile. So I had put in they selected a Ofra brand, and here it is. It's the Ofra Verified Liquid Liner. It's an eyeliner, and it's in the color brown, and here it is, really nice packaging. Ofra's pretty good product. I've gotten some cheek and some eyeshadow palettes from them. And this is a brown, and this is really nice. Lately, I have been using more brown than black. If I do use a black eyeliner, I end up usually going over it with a cranberry or a lighter colored eyeshadow to kind of soften up the look. So here is the brown, and this is what it looks like, and it's a dark brown, and it's very nice. I enjoy it because it's not, and look at, even right now, it's smudge proof, which is great. It just literally dried within, a few seconds. And what does it say about it? It has no skips, no smudges, no bleeds, and it glides on smooth, and it retails for $20, and so that's one of the items that they had picked for me, the first item. The second item they had picked for me was a Tarte brand, which I'm really happy to get Tarte, because Tarte this retails for $27. This is the Tarte Maracuja Juicy Lip Vinyl, and this is in the color Hibiscus, which is a mauve berry color, and I'm happy to have this. This is just gorgeous. The packaging is second to none, and then here is the color, if you can see that, and it's beautiful. It has a sheen to it. It actually has it has a hyaluronic acid, 10 plus superfruit complex, and a maracuja oil. And so really good product. I don't want to use it. I will keep this one. I probably won't gift it because I really do like this product by Tarte. But I just have a couple of others that I'm going through, and I want to finish those before I open up and start using this one. So the third item, which is my very first of my 3 items that I picked, was by First Aid Beauty, and I love everything. I tell you in every video how much I love First Aid Beauty, and this is a product called the Ultra Repair Cream. I've actually used the body lotion. I have not used the Ultra Repair Cream. This retails, it's a full size, 6 ounces, and it retails for $42, and you get this in the box. So this pays for the box alone. This has award-winning cream, relief for dry, distressed skin, fast absorbing. It has ceramides and 0.5% colloidal oatmeal to help protect the skin, to calm and comfort it also. It supports a strong moisture barrier and it's good for sensitive skin, and you can use this from head to toe. So we are gonna open this product, and it is sealed, which is really nice. Oh, or it was. It looks like it's opened. I don't know why. So it's open there on the corner, but we will try a little bit of it and see what this is like. And let's get a nice feel for that. And it's not greasy at all. I expected it when they said a cream that it might be very emollient, and it is, as it is emollient, it isn't greasy. And it's scentless. I don't smell any scent, and it's very, very hydrating. My arms, my skin is always really dry, and you can actually tell a difference from where I put it on. And look at that, just an immediate difference. And so I am super happy to have this product. And they did change their packaging. So all of their packaging, this is their new packaging. And it's really cute. I like it. I like the old packaging too, but so I'm happy, so happy to have this. And let's see, the fourth item is Gisu. It is a honey infused lip oil, and this is in the color Bellini, which is a Bellini peach, and it's kind of a peachy color. And let's see, it has Mersalea honey, bee garden oils, and it has jojoba oil in it. And it has a really cute packaging. I see some of the influencers on YouTube and on TikTok, they have, like, when they show their makeup vanity and, you know, their storage area for all their beauty products, they'll have multiple and they're kind of stacked, you know, aligned together. So what a nice product. I haven't had Gisu, so I don't know. I'm a little leery. I tried another brand, some bee venom, and I broke out and had an allergic reaction. So I'm a little apprehensive about trying anything now with bees or with honey in it, you know, any type of bee venom. But this just has bee honey. So as far as I know, I've never had allergic reaction to honey at all. And then we'll just try a little bit here so you can see that. Very pretty, very pretty. And oh, has a nice scent, like 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 peaches, I think, kind of sweet, you know, like a candied peach. So let's see. It doesn't seem sticky at all, and it's just really smooth, and a little bit thick, I would say. It's not a very thin consistency. So that is so nice. I am really happy to have this brand in here. And so then we have the fifth item. And now this all retail, including this all retail for $182. And I end up paying $36 plus tax, you know, for my box. So that to me is an unbelievable value. I'm not getting paid by Ipsy, but it is a good value. If you want to get into a subscription box and have something really nice, you know, come to you, and you pay that 36 plus tax, and every month you get to choose 3 of your 5 items, and this is a really nice box for you. So the fifth item is part of, this is Dr. Lily Fan Probiotic Anti-Age Defying Eye Cream. And this retails, this is the full size, this retails for $65. And so I'm happy to get this. I've actually tried this brand before, and the products are very, very good. And I just started seeing them last year, so I don't know if this is a new brand or not. And this is a half fluid ounce, 15 milliliters, and that's very typical. That's a standard size, half of an ounce for eye products. And so this one is to turn back time and target your common signs of aging around the eyes. It's a lightweight serum. It's packed with probiotics. It targets fine lines and wrinkles, dark circles, and puffiness, and it helps your eyes look brighter. And so between the two of us, him and I, we go through a lot of face cream and a lot of eye cream. And so I know we will definitely use this product and test it out. And here's the packaging. Very pretty, very nice packaging. And I'll try a little on this hand since I don't have anything on it. And it's a kind of a clear, slightly milky consistency to it. And it's very slick. It goes on just like that one pump would probably be enough for both eyes. That's what I'm thinking. And it has a very nice, very faint scent. Clean, maybe fresh, like something herbal. So anyways, yeah, I can't wait to try this, and I will get back to you on the empties and let you know if I recommend the product or not. So very good product. I'm glad to have it, and a good brand. That's what I know about it. And so the Beauty Boost is something, when I told you that the box is worth $182, if you spend an extra $15 and you get on the waiting list, you can actually get the Beauty Boost. And these retail, this is an added item onto your 5-product box. It could vary anywhere from $25 to over $100 for the item. This happens to be a $64 Beauty Boost that I paid $15 for, and it's the brand Tatcha. It is the Dewy Milk Moisturizer, and what a good brand. Like, it's one of my favorite, and it's one of the best out there right now. And they are starting to get a little bit more expensive, but I'll read about this a little bit. And it says that it's a lightweight, let me pull the product out here for you. And here we go. And it says it's a lightweight, milky moisturizer that deeply hydrates with zinc hyaluronate, while prebiotic green tea helps improve natural radiance for bouncy skin with a dewy glow that lasts. And the directions for it, let's see. It doesn't have any on here. It's made in Japan, and it's a wonderful product. I do know I tried almost everything from the Tatcha line, and I love every single product. So definitely this dewy milk moisturizer. I'm going to break the seal on this because I will use this product. This is definitely going to be a staple in my morning routine. And this is what it looks like. And it is very thin. It's not as thick as some of their face creams, but it's not as thin as, like a milky toner. So it just has a very nice consistency and smells wonderful. Yes, very good product. I'm so happy to get this in here. So really, really nice. This is like a prestige brand to end up getting. So thank you, Ipsy. Appreciate it. And so anyways, with this Beauty Boost that I paid the extra $15, so let's say I end up paying $53 plus the tax, and with this, as 6 items. This includes the Beauty Boost. That was $246 in my $53 box. So I am really happy with this month and just ecstatic. I mean, I can't even believe that we have gotten Tatcha as a Beauty Boost. So this is great. And I hope that Ipsy keeps this up and we keep getting these really nice products for the Beauty Boost. So anyways, thank you. I got another video I want to film for you. So have a good night, and thank you so much for watching my videos and hitting the thumbs up for me. Good night.